Hi there, and welcome back to another How to Draw video on Twinkl Kids TV. This week, we're going to be learning how to draw a house. Here at Twinkl Kids TV, we always like to use a pencil first to mark out the basic shapes before using a pen to later add some more detail. We're going to start off by drawing a large square. I'm sure you've had lots of practice drawing these already. Don't worry about getting the lines perfectly straight though. This is just to give us a rough idea of where our pen line will go later on. On top of the square, draw a triangle stretching to either side. Sketch a rectangle attached to the left-hand side of your square, but slightly smaller. Now, to finish the roof, draw a line about halfway down the triangle in the same direction as the rectangle. When the line reaches the same length as the rectangle below, draw a sloping line downwards before joining it back to the top left corner of the rectangle. To add some windows to your house, draw 4 little squares in each corner of the big square. To finish the pencil layer, add another window square at the top of the rectangle. Now, what is your house missing? Oh, a door, of course! To add this in, draw a thin rectangle just below the window you just drew. Now you're here, why don't you take a second to hit the subscribe button below? As the basic shapes have been completed, it's time to pick up the pen and finish your amazing drawing. Start off by tracing over the roof and walls of the house. It doesn't matter if the lines aren't super straight, but you can always use a ruler if you want them to be. Next, move on to outlining the windows. When you've finished the outside of each window, draw a cross inside to add some detail to each one. Now your window is divided into 4, draw curved lines from the top to the bottom of each section. Now you can see that your window has curtains. Do this for all of the windows you've drawn. Trace over the door, not forgetting to add in a little circle for the door handle. Using a zigzag motion, you can now add some tiles to the roof by creating little sloping triangles down the lines you drew earlier. For the left-hand side of your roof, add in another line at the top of the shape to add a 3D element. Add in some slightly rougher sketched lines across this part of the roof. Once you've completed that, you can add in some short lines vertically between them to add some texture to the tiles. To add some final details to your awesome house, you can add in some really small rectangles to show that it's made out of bricks. And there you have it, your finished house. We hope you've loved learning how to draw a house with us here at Twinkl Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.